the joys of living in a material world. You know the drill. You walk into a store, see that shiny new gadget or a new Chanel bag, and think, I deserve this. Fast forward a few months, and it's collecting dust next to last year's must-have item. Sound familiar? We've all been there, right? The allure of buying more, thinking it'll bring happiness or solve our problems. But what if I told you that less is actually more? Welcome to the world of minimalism, where we trade clutter for clarity and chaos for calm. Hey, wait. We don't need you to throw all your stuff away. We just want you to truly reflect on what you actually need. Let's dive into a story. Meet Susie. Susie is always working overtime in a high-pressure job, which makes her frequently think about treating herself. She loved the thrill of buying new things, but soon realized that the more she bought, the less satisfied she felt. It was like trying to fill a bottomless pit with stuff. One day, Susie stumbled upon the concept of simplicity and minimalism. It was like a light bulb moment. Forget about what people told you about Lao Tzu and Marie Kondo. The idea that minimalism is not just about living with only a few things and saying thank you while throwing stuff away. It's about creating space for more meaningful experiences and connections. So Susie decided to give it a try. Sure, it wasn't easy. Letting go of things, especially those with sentimental value, was tough. But with each item donated or sold, Susie felt a little lighter, both physically and emotionally. It was like shedding layers of unnecessary weight. Extend the same principles to other areas of her home. Tackle one room or category at a time, such as books, kitchen items, you name it. The beauty of minimalism is that it isn't just about physical possessions. Now let's think about the relationships you have. Take a moment to reflect on your current friendships. Consider how each relationship makes you feel. Do they uplift you, or do they drain your energy? For Susie, it was about spending quality time with loved ones, cutting off the toxic friends. It really is about living intentionally and mindfully. Now, let's talk about journaling. Some folks think it's just scribbling in a diary like a teenager. Dear Diary, today I ate a sandwich. But for Susie, it was a game changer. By putting thoughts on paper, Susie found clarity and a deeper understanding of personal values and desires. It's a powerful tool for intentional living, helping to prioritize what truly matters. She also discovered that mindfulness was the secret sauce to appreciating life's simple joys, like a warm cup of tea or a walk in nature. By being present in the moment, Susie learned to savor experiences rather than accumulate possessions. Mindfulness helps you connect with yourself and the world around you, fostering a sense of gratitude and contentment. You can reduce stress, enhance focus, and improve emotional well-being. In a world that constantly tells us to buy more, minimalism is a gentle reminder that we already have enough. It's about finding contentment in simplicity and realizing that the best things in life aren't things at all. With fewer distractions, you can spend more quality time with the people and things which matter most. Remember, every no is a yes to something more meaningful. So next time you're tempted to buy that shiny new gadget or that new jacket, ask yourself, do I really need this? Or is it just another distraction? Remember, less is more, and sometimes the greatest luxury is living with less. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Thrive and Shine for more content on personal growth and living your best life. Until next time, remember to thrive and shine.